Today we'll be installing the overhead console harness. This harness is used to install roof-based accessories such as lights and your windshield wiper. To do this installation, first we'll remove the dash, remove all screws, retain the dash to the machine, and connect the harness to the factory wiring harness. The factory wiring harness will be labeled roof. Connect this harness to the plug labeled roof. Route the harness between the dash and the ROPS bar. You will need to cut a small hole in the edge of the dash to allow routing of the wires. With this connected and the dash reinstalled, route the harness up the ROPS pillar. Once this is routed, please cover the ROPS pillar and the wiring with the provided plastic cover. Please note, if the windshield is going to be installed, notches will have to be cut into the plastic cover to allow for the clips on the windshield. After you install the cover, route the harness into the overhead console area. Install the overhead console with 3 machine screws on the lower side and 4 machine screws on the top side. For the final step of your installation, you'll need to install 2 15-amp fuses and 1 accessory fuse. Reinstall the hood, and now your installation is complete. For more information on CAT UTV, visit cat.com or your participating UTV CAT dealer.